All right. Come on, girl. If I screamed, he wouldn't hear me over that mower. Gosh, it must be 80. Come on, BB. Must be 80 degrees already. And I am not, you know. I don't know. Yeah, I got jeans, gym shoes. See, back to my gym shoes. Jeans, gym shoes, and a tank top. And this walking, my God, feels good. I love this Door Creek, guys. My oldest son, and I know I told you this, baptized me in this creek bed right there. You know, I can't stand in it right now because I got, well, I can. Who gives two shits? Anyway, baptized me right in this spot. Yep. Oh, honey, it's just Mommy. I'm gonna put my water down there. Show you guys everything. Let me start over.